Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making egg fried rice. This will literally be one of the quickest recipes I ever show you on this page. This takes no more than 20 minutes. Here's everything we'll be needing for this recipe. Right here I have 1 onion chopped up and 1 green pepper chopped up. I have 2 eggs that are beaten. And then literally all you need for this recipe, this is the main ingredient. The main ingredient is this Goya ham flavored packet. Literally. This right here is good because you don't have to put any meat in it because this is already ham flavored. And then of course I have my 2 envelopes of sazon. And then this is the seasonings we're going to be using. Cajun, garlic powder, and then this right here, this will kick it up a little bit. If you use this adobo all-purpose seasoning instead of using the Goya one, this one actually has more of like a spicy kick taste to it. Trust me, it balances everything out. If I was you, I would pick some of this up. And then lastly, of course, you need the rice. This rice was already pre-cooked. I already cooked it. This is about 2 cups of rice. All right, so let's get into the video. All right, so I just put a little bit of canola oil in the pan and it's heating up. Now that it's heated up, I'm just going to add in my peppers and onions. Since we don't have any fresh garlic, I'm just gonna add in some garlic powder. And then I'm just gonna add in some Cajun seasoning, a generous amount. I'm just gonna let these cook a little bit more before I add in the eggs because I do not want to be eating my rice and taste like some raw onions or raw peppers in it. That's not what we're going for. So now I'm gonna add the eggs in. These are eggs with no seasoning on it. That's why I seasoned up the peppers and onions. That way I didn't have to put no seasoning on the eggs. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I wasn't even gonna make a video today, but I just decided I'm cooking, I might as well film it. Everything just seems like rushed. It's because I wasn't planning on making a video today, but I just figured I'm cooking, why not film it? All right, so now I'm gonna add in my rice. Just mix everything. Of course, this is the seasoning we're using. You will literally see me put this in like everything besides probably spaghetti. But everything else, you'll always see me putting a sazon packet in it. Now, this is the ham packet. You put this in your rice, or like even if you put it in like collard greens or something, it'll step it up a level. Lazy, you don't feel like putting no meat in your food. You could just add a ham packet. And then you want to just make sure you mix it all in there good. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more garlic powder. And then this will be the last thing I'm adding. This is all-purpose adobo seasoning. However, I realize this is hard to find in a store. When you get this, you might want to go to like a West Indian store and pick this up because I don't think they sell this at Stop and Shop. But if you cannot find this, you can always use Goya adobo seasoning. They always have that. Whether you're going to Stop and Shop, Walmart, they sell it everywhere. If you can't find this, you can just use that. Now I'm just going to put some of this in it. And then, of course, you just want to make sure you mix it all together. I don't know about you, but I can't use no spatula to stir my food. Whenever I do that, it's like I can't mix it all together without making a mess. So yeah, if you see me in my videos and I'm always using these spoons, trust, it's not because I don't have no spatulas. It's because I don't want to use a spatula. All right, guys, so this is the final result. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always, as I always say in all my videos, all feedback is accepted, negative and positive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.